what's up? This is Justin Barcia. We're going to go over my setup on my Geico Honda CRF 250 and go in a little more detail. Here's my mechanic, Schneike.
Mike Tomlin here, aka Schneike. I'm going to introduce you to Justin Barcia's bike. I start off to the top of the bike. We have tag handlebars that we run with the full waffle grip, and we have a gripper seat that he likes to run that One Industry builds. And one of our other sponsors is Sycra with the airflow of the front fender, the rear fender for the airflow. We have Dunlop tires for the front, Dunlop tires for the rear, for the hole shots, and Raptor pegs for he can stay on the peg so he doesn't fall off. And that's about it.